Welcome to our Halloween Decor Tour 2025. Let's start over here on this side of the driveway. I placed this adorable garden flag to greet visitors and added an orange floodlight to set the mood at night. It beautifully highlights the red leaf bushes and gives the space that perfect autumn glow. Above the garage door, I hung 3 floating witches hats. I found these on Amazon and secured them with clear command hooks. On either side, I added some giant spiders crawling over the garage lights, which makes for a spooky surprise. Up on the top window, I placed these foam bath decals. They're simple but really pop from the street. On the front lawn, we have a Halloween projector that casts rotating images on the garage door and second floor. I will show you what it looks like lit up at night later in the video. It's definitely one of the highlights. I got this at Amazon. Moving on to the front lawn, I have these cute lanterns that are from the Christmas tree shops. I had them for years and I'm so sad that the store closed. This year, I added new tombstones I found at the dollar store for an amazing price. And this one here in the front is from Walmart. I stacked 2 hay bales to create a seat for our skeleton friend. He's from Walmart too. I got it a few years back. I made sure to strap him to the tree so he's nice and secure, especially on windy days. The jack-o'-lantern next to the skeleton is from Walmart and I bought it many years ago. This other jack-o'-lantern is from the Christmas tree shops. I added purple and orange ground lights plus an orange spotlight to make the skeleton glow at night. And on the bushes, I strung green and orange lights. You will see how magical it looks once the sun goes down. Above the entrance of the porch, I used more command hooks to hang this fall leaves garland from Michael's. I draped a black creepy cloth across for a spooky touch, and this one is from the dollar store. And right in the center, there is a trick-or-treat banner that I got at Amazon last year. I also added some giant spiders. In front of the door, I layered a white and beige checker rug from Hobby Lobby with this adorable ghost mat from Costco. The witch's broom is from Home Goods, and the pumpkins are all from Walmart. This large jack-o'-lantern is another Costco find from a few years ago. Instead of a wreath this year, I'm using this sweet little ghost I picked up from a country store back when we lived in Maryland. I love the charm it adds. I added a whole swarm of bats flying across the wall. This took a bit of time to put, but I think they turned out so cute. What do you think? And above the door, I layered more creepy cloth with spider webs and a few spiders to complete the look. On the bench, I used black and white creepy cloth and added this felt skeleton garland from the dollar store. I tucked another skeleton in the corner, gave him a little bandana and a witch hat, and secured him also with rope so he stays put. These fall flowers are from Amazon, and the cheerful little scarecrow was another great find from the Christmas tree shops a few years ago. To decorate this window, I added more spiders and also some colorful gel clings. Now let's take a look at how everything transforms at night with all the Halloween lights turned on. My friends, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour of the Halloween porch and yard. I hope it gave you a few ideas and plenty of spooky inspiration for your own decorating. And if you're a new visitor, please take some time to subscribe and click the notification bell. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and this is the Sea Green Coastal Cottage. See you in the next video.